In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list in Brevo. Whether you're a newcomer to this platform or just looking to refresh your skills, I'll walk you through each step with ease. Let's dive in. First, head over to your Brevo dashboard. This is your command center, where you'll find all the tools and information you need to manage your contact lists. If you're not already familiar with the layout, take a moment to explore. You'll notice various features that Brevo offers to enhance your email marketing efforts. Next, shift your attention to the left sidebar and click on Contacts. This section is crucial as it holds all the information about your audience. Here, you can manage, organize, and customize your contact lists to suit your business needs. It's a handy way to keep track of customer interactions and tailor your communication strategies effectively. Once you're in the Contacts section, select the option labeled Lists. Lists in Brevo are like the backbone of your email campaigns. They help you target the right audience with the right message. Ensuring you have well-organized lists will make your marketing efforts much more efficient and impactful. Now, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on Create a List. This is where the fun starts, as you get to build your custom list from scratch. Don't worry if you're feeling overwhelmed, I'll make sure each step is clear and manageable. It's time to give your list a name. Think about the purpose of this list. Is it for a specific campaign or a general audience group? Naming your list thoughtfully helps with organization and quick identification later on. Keep it simple and descriptive, so you'll have no trouble remembering what it's all about. After naming your list, you'll see a drop down to select a folder. Folders in Brevo act like filing cabinets for your lists, helping you keep everything tidy and accessible. If you have multiple lists, categorizing them into folders is a smart way to stay organized and keep your dashboard uncluttered. Finally, you'll click on Create List. A confirmation message will appear, signaling that your new list is ready to go. At this point, you can start adding contacts and using this list for future campaigns. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new list in Brevo. With this newfound knowledge, you can better manage your contacts and strategize your email marketing plans. Remember, a well-organized contact list is key to successful communication and engagement. Keep experimenting and exploring Brevo's features to maximize its potential in growing your audience. Thank you for tuning in and happy listing.